Okay, so the fans here have dried this out here to the point where I can skim over it again. And once again, I'm going to use my 6-inch blade right here to shave down any high spots or ridge lines. Okay, so I'm going to put this down here now, and I'm going to grab my trowel and my hawk here. Now, on the first coat, we went up and down with the mud. Now we're going to go left to right or horizontal here. And again, this is going to help fill in any valleys or waves or ripples that were incurred by the first coat. So now when we're skimming here, we have to deal with gravity. Gravity is going to want to pull the mud down on the blade when you go horizontal with it. So a tip or a technique that I like to do is when you put the mud to the wall here, I turn it back just a little bit so that when I'm going horizontal with it, I keep it like this, not straight. I'm like tilted back. So I'm using this corner here and I'm going straight with it. And that is gonna help keep the mud in the middle of this blade here, because if you don't, then the mud's just gonna compress and it's gonna go down. So, but by turning it back a little, it like forces it to stay in the middle here. So I'm just gonna load this up like that here, and we'll start here. And I'm just gonna turn it back a little bit. And you can see how it does it on the blade there. It goes down up to there. So now, since it's up here and down there, I want to clean that off there, reorganize it, give it a little shake, and then load up the whole thing again right here. So I'm just gonna push. And now once it's like that again, you want to reorganize it. And that puts it all to the blade here. And I'm going to grab some more mud here. So once again, give it a little shake, upside down, that loads the whole thing up. Put it here, tilt it back a little bit, and go straight in with it. Clean this off, reorganize that, load up again. Loads up there. So that's enough there. There's I missed here and there, so I'm just going to take this, load it up on the backhand, and just come into it like that. So it's all on here. There's a spot right here that's low. So okay, so once again, we're just going to feather off the top. I'm going to do that again. Right hand side. Do that one again. Because the tighter that you skim, the less sanding or scraping that you have to do. So even if you have to go back once again, that's fine. And to the right here too. Okay, so now I'm just going to skim hard horizontally here. And I'm really pressing in hard so that it fills in any of the ear holes or the fish eyes that was from the first coat. Now, So this is like is a perfectly smooth. There are some holes in it. There is a ridge line here, which is fine. We're just gonna let this dry out. So I'm just gonna continue to go across the bottom, and then wait for this to dry, and then come over here and go into it like that.